Hola, ¿cómo están? Yo estoy bien. It is terribly humid in Houston today, so that is why my hair is kind of poofy when I'm recording this. Hoy, continuamos en capítulo 7. Estamos en páginas 212 a 215. So yesterday there was a lot of information that we covered. Um, and it was primarily direct object pronouns and how they're used. So, direct object pronouns answer the question who or what receives the verb. So, and the direct object pronouns are me, te, lo, la, nos, los, and las. They do agree in gender and in number for the third person. Lo, la, los, las. And as you remember, we find the direct object, and you can then decide what the pronoun would be, and then you replace that with the pronoun and you put it in front of the conjugated verb or attached to the end of the infinitive. I did a rough example of that for you yesterday on here. It shows it better in your book, but that's just how it works for me. Whenever I was learning it, I would circle the direct object, put the pronoun over it, mark it out, and then move the pronoun. So that's how it works for me. Vamos a continuar hoy en página 212, expressing negation, indefinite and negative words. La gramática en acción, voy a leerla. ¿Hay algo bueno de comer en este refrigerador? Si hay algo, no hay nada. ¿Hay fruta y pan? Sí, hay fruta y pan. No hay fruta, tampoco hay pan. ¿Hay chuletas de cerdo? No hay ninguna chuleta. Sí, hay algunas chuletas. ¿En esta casa alguien compra comida con frecuencia? No, nadie la compra. Sí, alguien la compra. So you can look at the refrigerators and decide which one is talking about it. That was just to expose us to some of the indefinite and negative words. You've already been using some of these, but we do have some listed right there in the brown box. Los adverbios indefinidos y negativos. Sorry, I'm a little tongue-tied. Siempre, nunca, jamás. También, tampoco. Hay más los sustantivos indefinidos y negativos. Página 213. Alguien, nadie, algo, nada. And then we have los adjetivos indefinidos y negativos. Algún, alguna, algunos, algunas, ningún, ninguna. So we have the adjectives, adverbs, and nouns that are indefinite and negative. You can read that ojo right there. It talks about how ninguno, alguno and ninguno shorten before masculine and singular nouns. We already see something similar like this with un, buen, and gran. In Spanish, there is a double negative. So when a negative word comes after the main verb, Spanish requires that another negative verb, usually the word no, be placed before the verb. When a negative word precedes the verb, no is not used. No estudias nadie. Nadie estudie. So you can see the slight difference there. No estás en clase nunca. Nunca estás en clase. No quieren cenar aquí tampoco. Tampoco quieren cenar aquí. So they both mean the same thing, but it's formed a little differently. The adjectives algún and ningún are adjectives, unlike nadie and nada, which are nouns, or nunca, jamás, and tampoco, which are adverbs. Algún and ningún must agree with the noun they modify in gender and in number. Ningún is rarely used in the plural. So it is an adjective, so it must be plural and masculine or feminine. I missed something. Nope, okay, sorry. Okay, so that is negation, and how we use it. There's good examples right through there, as you can look and see how they're formed. But there's a lot of practice in página 214 y 215. I'm not going to assign any of this for homework, but it's really good extra practice if you feel like you need it. And if that is all for today.